Okay, we're back. Listen, I got this thing. So I got the duster right here, a like a responsible person, and I always just have to clean up. I'm not really like possible person. All right. Oh, jeez. I'm extremely power right now. Okay. So let's get started with the keyboard. And the mice. The screen. The floppy. We have to be carefully. Hopefully not. Okay. Well, I'll just turn around like this. Or I'll just turn around like this. Maybe you have to go on the bottom. Let's do the other one.
Careful.
Oh shit. Let me have to go ahead and turn around right now. See? Let's do the other one. Oy, oy, oy. I'm extremely clean right now, okay? And we go ahead and unplug.
Careful.
Yeah, buddy. I'm extremely take care of my flash drive. I mean, the hard drive, okay? And you know, the hard drive. And also need to get the plugs on here. So here's what here's the blank screen on it. So we're going to go ahead and dust it off right here. Let's put it back in.
Pictures. Oh, cool.
Let's put it back in. We have to be carefully. Well, see how it goes. About close. All clean, all clean. Okay. I need to upgrade this Mac. So this thing have to buy it on Amazon or eBay. I have to take care of my package. Okay? And well, the last time you see, I'll have to take care of my duster right here. This thing I'll have to see it. I think I have to bring this on the fly. And I always just have to take care of my Mac, and I gotta sneeze.
Cover your mouth.
This looks as usual. Okay. Let me go ahead and dust on the back of it for this thing. I would just have to do right now. Okay. Let's dust this 2 hard drives. Hold on. Okay, let's dust inside right here. I will, Andrea. I'm trying to it. Oh, I need to fix it. Right there. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, we'll put it back in like this. So basically I have to make those someday. We're gonna do it once against me. Uh-oh, I need to fix it. Hold on. And I might have to put it back like this. Oh, man. It got the hiccups. Oh, you. Oh, you. Boy. Everything looks tired. When we get this, I know you're trying to untangle the cord. I wish we obviously have the right gap. So I use the opposite mixer and have to use it. So I have to check this out and see what it looks like. I have to dust the. I have to see it. You have to blow them up. Don't use that much, okay? So this is just what it looks like. Then you have to get this one. Oh, don't worry. I need to upgrade on the floppy. I need the software to buy. All right. So but the last time I read about Mac OS, this thing, I need to upgrade on this floppy drive. This notice is to send it to Shane on here. But we will use it. Just for users. Take care of it. Wow, you're ready to go. So I'll put the duster away. I wish I had to put it back in the closet. So we have to protect this on the fly. So I'll go ahead and open this thing up. And where's that thing? Oh, there we go. Okay. First, you always says I have to see it, and then makes you always says I have to make sure I have to tap this on the fly. And what's the only way it does? You always says they talk about the USB support. So this is your wallpaper on it. So I can see that way. We got a beautiful sun in the sky on the hills, and of course it always says there has to be performance there. I make sure I have to for change. And once it does, a beautiful artist, I always say I make sure for this thing, I just like desktops and shortcuts. So that is cool. Let you know always says you have to see it, and then you got information you see just from Macintosh, and then original you have to make sure for this thing, and we don't always have to be user information on this floppy drive. And now we able to see that way because I just have to worry about your sneezing. I have to do a spat. And always says it does. I just have to take a few moments to go. And I always says I have to make sure for the other one. I use some information spat. I have times for more information on this VCR. And finally, you're gonna only have to make sure that for this thing, always information you'll see. You always have to just on the disc, and then you only have to make sure for this thing. You always has to do it right now. So I have to make sure for this thing. You performance there. And I always just have to do right now. And now always says I have to make sure What did you have to that way? So I'll take care of my Diet Pepsi. Plus, oh hey, ruffle. Shush the sheesh. So always says I make sure this thing have to take care of my PC, so and the rest of the day have URPC USB ports on it. And it always says distribution based on 90 Cs or about 30 million. USB have to get accurate, dependable its program. So I always says you have to get some oil change. Maybe always says fast reporters on here correct PC with PowerBook 1400 CS. Okay, so we already up here. And what we see here is how much they got the total cost, work alone and pay alone. Which is always this because now make sure I have to use because it looks easier, faster, and smarter. If you guys publish your utilities, and be sure you have to get hair going looks balder, and flat 32, and make sure I always says store information more efficiently. We also automated press the PC in optimal state, and always have to. I don't know how you have to worry about that. It'll take a few seconds. I'm going to have to see it, and then nothing always a prompt. I have to worry about the floppy created executable hard drive and the regular on these usual programs that I used to run MS-DOS on it. First, it always says I have to see it. You got the rechargeable and 45W AC adapter. This is from 96. This is working laptop from 1996 on it. And when I always says I have to see it, and then we're gonna have to find out more about this information. Log on to myapple.com. And that's not about it for this video. I hope you see you again later for another one. Make sure you have to make any comments, feedback. Always have to make sure for this thing, leave it down below. For always interested to you from you. Okay, I will go ahead and do another video. I hope you see you again later for another one. And we just always have to make sure until October 15th, I'll have you make sure use information. So we'll go ahead and exit this video. So this is Julie Melly sign off on Monday, October 12th, 2020. Goodbye.